Today we're diving into the ultimate guide on how to pack your suitcase like a pro. First things first, let's talk about choosing the right suitcase. You want something durable and spacious but also lightweight. Here are a few options. 1. Hard shell versus soft shell. Hard shell bags offer better protection, while soft shell can be more flexible. 2. Carry-on versus checked luggage. Consider the length of your trip. For a weekend, a carry-on may be all you need. 3. Features. Look for wheels, handles, and compartments that suit your travel style. Make sure to check the airline's baggage policy before making your choice. Next up, let's create a packing list. This is crucial to avoid forgetting anything important. 1. Start with essentials. Clothes, toiletries, documents. 2. Categorize items. Divide into clothing, shoes, accessories, and tech. 3. Consider your itinerary. Pack according to planned activities. Having a list keeps you organized and minimizes stress. Pro tip: use an app or a printable template. Now let's get into packing your clothes. Here are some techniques to save space. 1. Rolling versus folding. Rolling can save space and reduce wrinkles. 2. Packing cubes. These help organize items and keep your suitcase neat. 3. Layering. Place heavier items at the bottom and lighter ones on top. 4. Utilize empty spaces. Stuff socks or underwear in shoes and gaps. 5. Outfit planning. Consider planning outfits ahead to reduce overpacking. Now on to toiletries and essentials. Always opt for travel-sized bottles or refillable containers. Keep everything organized in one bag. Include first aid, medication, and any other must-haves. Remember the TSA rules if you're flying. Don't forget your tech. Here's how to pack your gadgets. Use cases for your laptop, tablet, and camera. Organize cords with ties or pouches. Don't forget power banks or travel adapters. Before we close up, here are some final packing tips. Use a scale to avoid overpacking. You might want to bring back souvenirs. Keep a small bag with essentials easily accessible. I hope you found these packing tips helpful for your next adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips. Comment below with your packing hacks or any questions you have. Happy travels, and see you next time!